Hey, hi everyone. Today is a DSA series, day 3. The problem statement is the given an array, we need to find the second largest element of this array. For this array, the output will be 8. Okay, there is a one thing you need to remember. If there is a no second largest element exists, for example, in this array, so we return -1. Let's see, understand the brute force approach to solving this problem. So here, in this approach, this is the code. So first we use to sort the array. So this is the line of code where we sort the array. Now we store the largest element. We store the largest element. The last element after sorting is always with the largest. Next we traverse the entire array backward. The first element is smaller, then the largest is the second largest. Okay, so this solution is work, but there is a one problem is this: the prime complexity is big of log n log n complexity because it sorting takes an n log n complexity. So for this approach, we used to optimize it for this problem. So this is the our optimized solution line of code. Okay, now understand this code. So first we assume that the first element is the largest, and initializing we don't know the second largest, so we initialize with the -1. Okay, now we traverse the array. If we found the largest element, the current element become the second largest. Okay, otherwise, if the current element is smaller than the largest, but the greater than the second largest, so we update the second largest element. Okay, so after one traverser, we return the second largest element. For this approach, this is the optimal approach, and for this approach is the time complexity big O of n. So this is the optimal solution of statement. Thank you.